Fluently English.
Dialogue. Elderly man visiting the doctor. Good morning, sir. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I have been feeling weak and dizzy for the past few days.
I see. Have you had any other symptoms, like headaches or nausea?
Yes, sometimes I feel a little nauseous, and my legs feel very tired.
Are you taking all your medications regularly?
Yes, but I sometimes forget to take my blood pressure medicine.
That could be a reason for dizziness. Let me check your blood pressure.
Okay, doctor.
Your blood pressure is a little low. Are you eating properly?
Not really, doctor. I haven't had much appetite lately.
You must eat regularly and drink plenty of water. I'll adjust your medication slightly and give you some supplements. Also, try to do light exercise like walking.
All right, doctor. I will try.
Good. If you feel very dizzy or weak, come back immediately. Take care.
Thank you, doctor.
No problem. Get well soon.
Thanks for watching videos. Like, subscribe, share.